yeah, guys, Poppy here. I hope you guys like those, well, Five Nights at Freddy's characters' voices, because I literally made them. So I made the pictures. So if you hear like a beep at the end, I just randomly put a beep in the end, guys. Yeah, literally do put random beeps at the end. So sorry about that. Plus, I'm using this just because my camera broke. Literally, I found my camera wasn't working, so my camera might. So, or I might fix it, whatever. Because if you're new, blah blah blah, whatever you are, I know it's true. If I get the silver play button, I will literally make the last video for the channel. I'm just literally hitting the silver play button. This time, I hope it does order in. If it does, cause oh yeah, I want to see the silver play button. That's why my channel will keep going still, cause the videos, and I might get more subscribers. The gold to the on the diamond button still going to the silver. Keep pressing the subscribe button and press the notifications on too. Please do. Um, well, yeah, I suppose. Also, since it's summer, what are you guys gonna do? Put down comments for the summer. I might stay home. If you guys wanna visit me, I will. You guys will come visit me if you guys want. If you guys want. I'm not pushing it. But yeah. Have a happy summer and keep pressing the subscribe button and press the notifications to hear